I've been lying, y'all. I never tell you about the struggles I face as a Black entrepreneur. I know you always see me on social media smiling, laughing, acting like everything is so perfect and such a great time. But, today I'm going to share some of the struggles and how I overcome them as a black entrepreneur. So now, if that is you, watch this video until the end. I'm just going to be raw, uncut, and it's something I haven't done before. And that's because I'm a licensed real estate professional, okay? So, when you are in like positions like that, you got to be careful all the time because we never know who's watching. But since I talked about real estate, let's talk about that first. So as a Black entrepreneur, you would be surprised to believe. Now, I had a conversation about this today with one of my mentees. So I was explaining to him, as a Black entrepreneur, you might get denied to help somebody buy or sell a house because you're Black. So you might get denied by Caucasian people, other races, right? But the crazy part, the part nobody ever talks about, is that you might get denied to help somebody buy or sell a house by Black people because you're Black, right? That's crazy, isn't it? So it's very unfortunate, but it does happen. So there are still Black people who are not completely educated or aware about how real estate works, but they might think that a white person can get my house sold faster, or a white person can get me more money selling my house, or, things like that. So it is such a challenge being a Black entrepreneur. Okay. And I'm going to tell you, if you followed me or seen me before, you know that I go hard. I put in like 110% on almost any business venture that I do, right? And so I definitely used to focus 110% of my time on real estate only. And so, after getting beat up one too many times, or taking one too many losses, or, losing out on a client to someone with lower credentials and with lower personality and with just, and I do get it. I'm not for everybody. I get that. I totally understand that. But, when you are missing out on opportunities over and over, that's when it's time for a change. So I'm going to tell you that is exactly how and why I started an online business. Okay. So, what I'm helping Black entrepreneurs to understand now is that, let me just tell you, so many Black entrepreneurs right now are kind of late to the party with understanding affiliate marketing and network marketing. And, I'm trying to, school them and put them up on game. But, sometimes being a Black entrepreneur, they may think you're trying to make money on them. And it's like, no, I'm trying to help you get money. So, even sometimes friends, you'll hear friends complain about their jobs and how much they hate it. And they'll even tell me how tired they are or how they have bigger dreams than their job. But guess what? When an opportunity is presented, they're still not quick to jump on it. So just tell me in the comment section, has that ever been you? Like one of your Black entrepreneur friends tried to tell you about a new opportunity and you were skeptical? Be honest and just let me know in the comment section why. Let me know in the comment section why, if somebody is fed up with their job, their corporate job or their 9-to-5, why are they slower to take on new opportunities? Now, let's just talk about the risks being a Black entrepreneur. Now, because sometimes I assume that people are slower to take an opportunity because they are thinking about the financial aspect of it, right? So, as I spoke about real estate, being a Black real estate entrepreneur, it can be very costly. And, I remember being a black real estate entrepreneur full time with a lot of credit card debt because I was paying all of my real estate expenses on credit cards, waiting on a closing to happen. And again, that's exactly how and why I was so blessed to discover how to start an online business. Okay. So, but let's talk about funding real quick. So, my very first online business that I started was funding. So, during 2020, that's when I discovered, being a funding agent. And so it was just great because it helped me to educate real estate entrepreneurs and investor entrepreneurs on how to get loans and how to get funding and how to get grants to fund their business instead of using all of their personal funding to do that and to keep their business afloat and to keep their business going. And who wants to just keep their business afloat anyway? We want to thrive, right? But again, it's a struggle. It's a lot when you're a black entrepreneur. So, but I could rant and rave all day, and I don't want to do that. But what I want to end this with is be open-minded, okay? If you are a black entrepreneur and you are not making money doing affiliate marketing and network marketing yet, I challenge you to start today. And the reason I challenge you is because you don't have to worry about all those expenses and high credit card debt that I just spoke of that you will have as a real estate entrepreneur or a fix and flipper. You'll have a lot of expenses. You'll be waiting and waiting for that closing day so you can finally get paid. Being a realtor, you got to spend a lot of money on ads, on flyers, postcards, cold calling systems, all of that, right? You're paying your big real estate brokerage $20,000 just to be there. Yeah, I know. I used to be at one of those big companies. All right. That's what made me open my own brokerage too, though, is after I paid like 35 grand to my real estate company. And I was like one of the top producers there. It just dawned on me, I was paying all that in transaction fees because I work with a lot of investors. So it was transaction fees and all of that. But post in the comment section, though, post in the comment section if you're fed up with your business expenses. But, again, if you are not making money yet in affiliate marketing, meaning you're making money online, you're making money in your sleep kind of deal, I challenge you to start today. I'm going to put some of my top affiliate marketing recommendations in the comment section below. So, but, before I go, let me just tell you about the difference in starting your own business or your own company and affiliate marketing and network marketing, right? So, of course, I started my own real estate firm. And like I said, I had a lot of credit card debt to get it going. But that's where I first discovered how to get business loans. I did, sort of knew what to do. And all right, y'all, I got a little tricked up in my words, but basically what I'm trying to say is to start a business, you will need overhead costs. You will need business loans and business credit. All right. If you need money right away, you can start a business as an affiliate marketer, as a network marketer. All you have to do is go to LiveGoodStars.com. Let's continue with the video. I'm Katina Willis. Thanks for watching this video. Take care, and I will see you on the next one.